After running around on the race course with me, it only seemed fitting to take Christian to the birthplace of Lego in Billund, Denmark, with the Lego house and Legoland. Hey, it's Carly and Christian. We're a married couple that can't seem to say no to crazy adventures. Last week, we took you on our adventures exploring the city of Copenhagen. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. So the Lego house is already pretty high tech. We checked in at these kiosks behind us with our QR codes on our phones, and they printed out these wristbands. But they're not just like a normal wristband, they have your name on it, and then there's like a barcode in it. So we don't really know what it is. Super cool little things. So Christian's a coat check because this Californian doesn't know what coat check is. I like all the things in the tree. I know. Look at all the stuff on the tree.
That is cool. I wish they still had this in it.
I know. This one's cool. Look at it.
That is cool.
Look, it's the pirates.
The little space area is fun.
It is. Look, it's like a crane. They're still building.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
It's actually really cool because they're like actually literally putting in a piece of the tree.
They're all like Duplo toys on it.
Yeah.
Look at, they're like tractor things for the claws. Like tractor scoops.
That's cool. Oh yeah, this is cool.
Wow. Oh, there's choo-choo. Oh, I like this. So right here, look, it's like going from gray to green.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
Kind of like in real life. No.
Bungee jumping.
The whitewater rafting. Wait, where's the bungee jumping?
Look, right in the middle.
Oh wow. Look at the, instead of horses they have because they're feeding pizzas to the rafters.
I like the part where it's plowing. Oh my gosh,
Oh,
the
yeah.
scarecrows.
That's actually really cool. I like
Those submarines.
I mean, this one set alone is worth the trip.
How are you feeling?
This is awesome.
Are you happy we
I'm
added
also so
this?
envious because I have no idea how they do most of this stuff.
Slowly. I like this one too. Look it! Captain Hook.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, wait. This is the best thing ever. Okay, look. There's a ski guy. Okay? The ski jump is right there.
The
And he
attention to
landed
detail is amazing.
here.
The attention to detail is amazing. But then look at the mountain.
Not sure why there's zombie cheerleaders, but there are.
Zombie cheerleaders.
Look.
Oh yeah. This is actually a really cool stadium. The way they did the terracing.
The dinosaurs?
Yep.
Cool. They do, they have
Dinosaurs are
rings.
getting married.
Cute. And oh my gosh, wait.
Do you notice something? Yep.
There's Marty McFly.
Look, it's the clock tower.
It's the clock tower. That's amazing. Why are Batman and Robin on the roof? Do you remember the second Lego movie? Destroying the city?
Yeah. I didn't look at the theater.
We've been here for a little while.
Yep.
What do you think?
Awesome.
Worth the trip?
Yeah, for sure. We are creating a stop-motion Lego movie adventure.
Oh, Jesus.
This is awesome.
So I convinced Christian to do the little kid toy, and he's very excited now. Was it worth the kid stop?
Yes.
Then gets pressurized into the mold, which is over here.
Then goes over here.
And then right there, it gets pushed out of the mold and up down here to the roller here. And at this stage, it's about 70 degrees-ish
Oh wow.
when it comes out right there. And yeah, then it goes all the way around, and then up here where it gets put in this bag, right?
Oh, that's the bagging.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
And then yeah.
Oh, I see that. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Very cool.
You're so proud of yourself. You built your little thing in the bag. Wow.
You can't do that.
I'm over here learning about how bricks are made. Welcome to Mini Chef at the Lego house, home of the brick. It says, welcome to the restaurant where our small chefs have high ambitions for a healthy and well-balanced meal. Open the bag of Lego bricks. Here's the menu. So, each item on the menu corresponds to a certain type of brick. So, let's see what I want.
It looks like they have French fries,
They do.
lasagna. Now you need your plate.
No, I gotta build it.
Oh.
It's not built. Bam.
Can I show you something funny? I just fill mine without looking.
We're so right for each other, honey.
That's so ridiculous.
Alright, so you take the Lego piece,
Put it in there.
put it in the cartridge.
Oh, wow. Is that what you ordered?
That's what I ordered.
Okay. Which one do you think is going to send your first?
I think they both come on the same mold.
It's coming.
Here it comes. Table 22, that's us. Going to this guy. The reveal. Open up my Lego box. Ooh. Oh, look at French fry. Just put that back in there.
I think it's 2 layers. Look.
Oh, it is.
What? There's your meal.
Look at that. Wow. Fun.
Someone's excited.
Tour de France, Eddie.
Tour de France.
190,000 Lego bricks.
Where are we now?
Amsterdam.
Like a marker there. I like the hot air balloon though.
Holy crap. Actually,
oh, wait, let's see what it does. Oh, looks stressed. I think it's half works. Oh, there we go. Oh, geez. They're all lowering to the same level. See, the water comes down there and goes into there. It's quite an operation. Oh, hit the wall.
it's only 900,000 bricks.
Oh, wow. Probably hollow.
It must be hollow. This is probably the best one so far. Oh, we're about to get to the other modern buildings.
Lego Movie World.
Everything is awesome. Man, this is quite the world. It's
Man.
almost Universal Studios-esque. Tell which is the It was cool. It was like soaring over California at Disneyland California Adventure. Pretty much the exact same setup, and everything was in Danish. But I always forget that I get a little motion sickness on those virtual reality rides.
Now that you talked about motion sickness, he wants to go on a real roller coaster.
Yeah.
Trying to film and drive a boat at the same time. Hello back there. Christian's boat is too slow. He can't keep up. We went on a boat ride and we were gonna go together. The boats were so small.
So slow.
And so we were like, okay, I'll go first. Christian will go behind me and we'll kind of enjoy the ride. Too bad somebody's boat didn't know how to go forward.
It was so slow. And there was a little girl behind me who caught up to me very, very quickly. And she just kept bumping me, and I looked back behind me at one point. I was like, how are you going so fast? She's just like,